Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my quick and easy chicken stir fry. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by mixing all of our ingredients to make our sauce. So for that, we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of spicy sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in with 1 tablespoon of water, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Just going to mix it all together until everything is well combined. And here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we can set it to the side so we can prepare our chicken. Okay, so here I have my chicken thinly sliced. I'm just going to be drizzling a little bit of oil. I'm going to season it with 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Going to mix it. Make sure that everything gets nice and coated. Okay, and once we have that, now we can take it to the stove. Okay, to my wok over medium-high heat, I'm going to be heating up a little bit of oil. Once that's nice and hot, I'm going to add our chicken. And I'm going to be doing this step in batches. Make sure not to overcrowd the chicken. So now we're just going to cook our chicken for about 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And now just remove it from the heat. Okay, now we're just going to repeat the process with the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have cooked all of our chicken, add a little bit more oil to your wok. And now we can get ready to fry our vegetables. Got the bell pepper, green onion, zucchini, carrots, sweet peas, and broccoli. Give it a mix. And here we're also going to add our minced garlic and minced ginger. So now just allow that vegetables to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add our sauce. Okay, just mix it in. And just allow it to thicken up. And it happens very quick. So as soon as our sauce thickens up, we can get ready to add our chicken. And now just mix it all together. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious chicken stir fry. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love stir fries. They're just so quick and easy to make, and of course everyone enjoys them. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's so delicious. The chicken, perfectly cooked. The sauce, everything, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious chicken stir fry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.